So, welcome to day number 16 of blockchain series. Today's topic is blockchain and Internet of Things, IoT, enabling secure and trustworthy connectivity. I'm Ashish, and we're having a fascinating discussion. So, let's dive in. So, let's understand what is the IoT first. As usual, I'm going to share my screen. Just hold on for a few seconds. Yes. So, let's understand what is IoT, right? So it is, as the full form says, it is Internet of Things, and it's a system of interconnected devices that collect data, right? So main thing is there are multiple devices and they collect data, and then from the environment, for example, it can be something like you have to measure the temperature somewhere, right? Or you have to measure any other thing. So it keeps on getting the data, and that data is analyzed for making better informed decisions. So that's a quick introduction to IoT, right? Now let's deep dive into the further things. So IoT has, it has revolutionized the way we interact with the devices and technology. Blockchain, on other hand, is as a decentralized system and a secure ledger technology that has gained prominence due to ability to ensure transparency and immutability. These two things, when they come together, right, we get a powerful combination of it enhances security and trustworthiness and IoT's power to capture data, right? IoT networks. So, the concept of secure data sharing and communication with the blockchain. Let's get into that. So here you can see how the data is shared, how the integration is done, right? So the as we discussed, the integration is it is a powerful combination, and that's what is shown here. That you have a consensus mechanism, blockchain, this, and we have the IoT at the bottom, industrial systems, which are gathering data and they are passing the data to blockchain so that it becomes more secure. That's what is mentioned here, right? And on the right side, again, we have how there are multiple IoT gateways and how the things are getting integrated with blockchain, right? So next, we are going to look at what is the. Uh, let me just share this. Yeah. So next, we are going to say what are the concept of secure data sharing. So one of the key advantage of integration is communication, sharing, data sharing and communication. Blockchain provides a secure and transparent platforms for devices to exchange information without relying on the central authority. And with blockchain, IoT devices can communicate and share data and in a tamper-resistant manner, right? And ensuring the integrating authenticity of the data which is coming from IoTs. And then next, we are also going to see how the enhancing of security, privacy, and trust in IoT. How is that done? So here, if you see, again, we have the cloud servers, and then we have on the left side you can see lightweight clients. So there are multiple things which are coming from IoT. It can be related to energy, it can be related to use of your medical devices like handheld devices, or power, or something related to use of the cloud, right? So there are multiple things which are coming into the servers, and then they get into the blockchains, right? So that's how the this thing is done, the interaction is done, right? And blockchain, again, it's a decentralized, the blockchain decentralized nature eliminates the risk of single point of failure, making IoT networks more resilient and against the cyber threats. Use of cryptographic techniques in blockchain ensure the data encryption and protection from the data which has been gathered from IoT, enhancing the overall security. Now we'll see what are the some of the real world examples, right? So we have seen how the things are becoming secure, right? And now we'll see real world examples. So as you can see, these are the financial institutes or like corporates, and then you have handle data. You have this kind of home appliances. So these come to the cloud, and continuously the data is monitored, data is fetched, right? So these are some of the real world examples. And another thing I wanted to share apart from this is in supply chain, blockchain allows end-to-end visibility of traceability of the product. Yeah, one more application can be um, supply chain, and another thing which is smart city. Smart city, there are multiple things, multiple I'll say sensors are placed in the smart city to monitor what's happening there. Like for example, is the pollution going high or something, then accordingly they manage the traffic, or they change the traffic. And the smart cities leverage blockchain IoT to enhance urban services such as smart traffic management and e-waste management, waste management, etc., etc. So this is a quick overview of how the real world examples are, right? And another example I remember is, for example, you have those coffee machines, right? Cafe coffee days. So those are also IoT based, and they fetch the data like, is the coffee going low or something, then immediately the trigger is given. So, okay, in such and such place the coffee machine is getting uh, emptied, so go and fill up that. So that is another interesting example. Now we are going to talk about the final thing, that what are the key challenges. The key challenges can be integration of blockchain and IoT, and security can be one of the challenges. Interoperability between the various IoT and blockchain is crucial, and that maybe sometimes can be challenging. So those are the quick few challenges. Although IoT and blockchain are quite new technologies, so the challenges are lesser, right? So this concludes the day 16 session for blockchain series, Internet of Things and trustworthy connectivity, right? So tomorrow we'll be coming up with another. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to share and like. I hope you enjoy. So thanks so much for keeping connected with me. See you. Bye bye.